Hey John, this is Hatter with NYC Marketers. I'm making this free custom video for your business. It's going to show you some ways on how to beat out the competition and get a lot of new customers every single month online. Three things I'll be talking about in this video are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. I'll keep it around 5 minutes just so it can be short. I hope you like the information you hear in this video. If you do, give me a call. I'd love to talk. If not, no harm, no foul. Videos for free. So let's get started. The first thing I want to talk about is the home page of your website. Now, right now, Google wants to see at least 2,000 words on the home page. And those words are going to be content rich. Keyword rich content. The keywords that you're trying to target. So I see that you got your website made out here. It looks pretty good, but you definitely are lacking content. You need a lot more. Like I said, you want to have at least 2,000 words on this homepage, which are all revolving around the keywords that you want to use. And you also want to have some more pictures, and also how you save the pictures really matters. Like what's behind them can get you seen and ranked up as well. Like this one right here is just construction helmet mock-up. It should actually be the keywords that you're trying to target. So that's what the picture should be saved as, and upload it back to this homepage again. It's going to help boost your ranking. Secondly, I want to talk to you about citations. I use this tool to help me figure out the local competition and what they're doing. A citation is basically anywhere on the web where you can put in your business name, address, and phone number. Now, those could be directories or other websites. Usually they're like Yelp, Manta, and other directories out there, Home Advisor, Angie's List. So as you can see, the top competitors in New York City who are electricians, they have like about 19, 20 citations each. You want to have a lot more to beat out the competition and stay ahead. So citations are definitely going to help you be visible to customers. The third thing I want to talk about is going to be backlinks. To help me explain that, I use this tool called Ahrefs. It's a very good service. It's a monthly paid subscription. They give me information, which is performance on any website. So backlink is any website out there which is pointing to your website. So the more websites you have pointing to you, basically make your website more popular in Google searches. And they also legitimize you in the authority of your industry. So you basically want to have industry related websites pointing at your website. Right now you have 11 backlinks from 2 referring domains. You're not targeting any keywords at all, and you're not getting any traffic at all. So to give you a comparison on what it should look like, a top competitor in New York City is these guys right here. As you can see, they have 381 backlinks from 47 referring domains. They're targeting 400 keywords, and they're getting at least 500 to 600 traffic every single month to their websites. Now, ultimately, this all translates to leads and customers. This is you guys. So let me show you one more thing I like to show people. This is a Google search I did, electricians NYC. So what customers will see is in this chronological order. The first thing they see is the Google guaranteed ads. This is a paid service where a business has to go through a verification process with Google and then get listed on the top of the page. After that, they go on to the traditional Google ads. After that, we move on to this section called the Google Map Pack. Now, this is a really important section to be on if you're looking to get serious new business every single month. On the first page, they only list the top 3. This is where you want to be, in the top 3, because people can click and call you, go on your website immediately, find out where you are, your hours of operation, all the relevant information. And this is great for mobile and desktop and laptop. After that, we go on to what's called the organic section. This is a section where companies and businesses have used SEO and beat out everybody else to make it to the first page of Google. Now, this will be packed with some directories like Yelp and Expertise or Home Advisor, but in between them, they have companies who have come out on the first page of Google. And statistics tell us that the first page gets 90 to 95% of the clicks. After that, the clicks die down by a lot. Nobody really goes on the second or third page. So you want to make sure your company is listed on the first page. With that, last thing I want to show you that I did some research on is your actual domain, your website. So it looks like you made the website about last year, not even a year old now, and the last time it was updated was in November of last year. So it was made and not really touched after that. You want to make sure your website always has some updates going on, so that way Google sees that it's not dead. With that, I know it's a bit of information in 5 minutes. I do try to give as much education as I can and for knowledge. I hope you liked the video and found it really valuable. If you want to call me and talk about a plan of attack on how to get you to the first page and ultimately get you a lot more new leads and new customers, give me a call. I'd love to talk to you. With that, I do want some feedback from this video and what you thought about it. So I'll definitely be giving you a call in the next day or two to find out what you thought about the video. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great day, John.